How to delete a board on Pinterest. First of all, go ahead and open up the Pinterest application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Pinterest homepage. Here, you can view images and videos selected based on your activity and interests. This includes pins from accounts and boards you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Saved. Over here, you can view all your saved pins and the boards they are saved to. Go to the Boards section. Open any of your board from here. If you want to delete this board, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Tap on Edit Board. Here, scroll down to the Actions section and tap on Delete Board. Tap on Delete Forever to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete a board on Pinterest. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.